everyone, welcome back. If Instagram cannot refresh or sync your feed, this issue is usually related to your internet connection or temporary app glitches. First, start by checking your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the feed refreshes. Then, open your app and pull down from the on your feed to manually refresh it. After that, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, look for Instagram, swipe it away, closing it completely and reopen it. Then swipe down from your phone screen and then turn airplane mode on. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. Then it will refresh your network connection. Restart your phone to clear temporary system issues. Then head over to your app store, search for Instagram and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Then on Android devices, clearing the app's cache may help restore proper syncing processes. If the problem continues, uninstall and reinstall the app. Sometimes the issue may be due to temporary server problems, so waiting and trying again can also help. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.